The male reproductive system is one of biology's most intricate and remarkable designs. Its primary purpose, at its very core, is to ensure the continuation of our species. This system is responsible for producing, storing, and delivering male reproductive cells, which we know as sperm. These microscopic cells carry half of the genetic blueprint necessary to create a new human life. The entire system is a coordinated network of organs, glands, and tubes, all working in perfect synchrony to achieve this single, monumental goal. Understanding how it operates is not just a lesson in biology, it is a fundamental part of understanding human health and life itself. This complex biological machinery is designed for a very specific task: reproduction. When a sperm cell successfully fertilizes a female egg cell, it initiates the incredible process of creating a new individual. The male system, therefore, has two crucial jobs. Firstly, it must manufacture vast quantities of healthy sperm. Secondly, it must have a reliable method for delivering these sperm into the female reproductive tract. This dual function requires a sophisticated interplay between external structures that handle delivery and internal organs that manage production and preparation. Every component has a distinct role, contributing to the overall mission of procreation and genetic legacy. Beyond its reproductive role, the system is also a critical endocrine powerhouse. It produces hormones, most notably testosterone, which orchestrates a wide array of bodily functions. Testosterone is the hormone responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics during puberty. Think of the deepening of the voice, the growth of facial and body hair, and the increase in muscle mass and bone density. This hormonal output influences everything from mood and energy levels to overall physical strength, highlighting that the system's importance extends far beyond the mechanics of making babies. Its influence is woven into the very fabric of male physiology. Therefore, to truly appreciate human biology, we must take a closer look at this fascinating network. It is a system of profound importance, not only for the survival of our species, but also for the health and well-being of every individual male. By exploring its components, from the visible external parts to the hidden internal factories, we gain invaluable knowledge. This understanding empowers us to take better care of our bodies, recognize potential problems, and appreciate the elegant complexity that enables life to go on. It's a journey into the very essence of what makes us who we are. When we discuss the male reproductive system, the external structures are often the most familiar. The most prominent of these is the penis, an organ with dual responsibilities. It serves as a conduit for both urine to exit the body and for semen to be delivered during sexual intercourse. The penis is composed of a long shaft and a sensitive rounded tip known as the glans. The shaft contains spongy, erectile tissue that fills with blood during sexual arousal, causing the organ to become firm and erect. This physiological response is essential for its function in reproduction, enabling it to effectively deposit semen within the female reproductive tract. The scrotum is the other key external component, a pouch-like sac of skin that hangs behind and below the penis. Its primary and most vital function is to house and protect the testes, but its role is far more active than that of a simple container. The scrotum acts as a climate control system for the testicles. For sperm to be produced effectively, the testes must be kept at a temperature slightly cooler than the rest of the body. The scrotum achieves this by using muscles to either pull the testes closer to the body for warmth or lower them away from the body to cool down, a simple yet brilliant piece of biological engineering. The structure of the penis is perfectly adapted for its role. The glans, or the head of the penis, is rich in nerve endings, making it highly sensitive to stimulation. At birth, the glans is typically covered by a fold of skin called the foreskin, which may be removed through a procedure known as circumcision for cultural, religious, or medical reasons. The tube that runs through the length of the penis, the urethra, is the shared passageway we mentioned earlier. This clever design allows one channel to perform two separate essential bodily functions, showcasing the efficiency of our anatomy in a very clear way. Together, the penis and scrotum form the external face of the male reproductive system. They are the parts that interact with the outside world and perform the final, physical act of reproduction. While the internal organs are busy with production and preparation, these external structures are responsible for the crucial step of delivery. Their design is a testament to functional anatomy, where every curve, tissue, and reflex is optimized for a specific purpose. Understanding their roles is the first step in appreciating the system's overall complexity and the importance of maintaining its health through awareness and care. Deep within the protective environment of the scrotum lie the testes, or testicles. These two oval-shaped organs are the primary factories of the male reproductive system. They have two jobs of immense importance. Firstly, they are the site of spermatogenesis, the continuous and prolific production of sperm. Millions of these tiny cells are manufactured here, every single day. Secondly, the testes are the main producers of testosterone, the principal male sex hormone. This hormone not only drives sperm production, but also fuels the development of male characteristics throughout life. The testes are, without a doubt, the command centers of male reproduction. Once produced, the immature sperm are not yet ready for their journey. They move from the testes into the epididymis, a long, tightly coiled tube resting on the back of each testicle. If you were to uncoil an epididymis, it would stretch out to about 6 meters long. Within this winding maze, the sperm spend several weeks maturing and developing their ability to swim. The epididymis acts as a combination of a training ground and a storage facility, holding the sperm until they are fully prepared for ejaculation. It is here that they gain the motility and structure necessary to navigate the female reproductive tract and fertilize an egg. When ejaculation is imminent, the mature sperm are propelled from the epididymis into the vas deferens, a long muscular tube that travels up from the scrotum and into the pelvic cavity. The vas deferens serves as a high-speed transport channel, rapidly moving sperm towards the urethra. Along this path, the sperm are mixed with fluids from 3 accessory glands. The seminal vesicles contribute a sugary fluid that provides energy for the sperm. The prostate gland adds a milky alkaline fluid that helps protect the sperm by neutralizing the acidic environment of the female vagina. Finally, the bulbourethral glands release a clear, slippery fluid that lubricates the urethra. This combination of sperm and glandular fluids is known as semen. The vas deferens connects to the ejaculatory duct, which passes through the prostate gland and empties into the urethra. The urethra, the same tube that carries urine from the bladder, now becomes the final exit route for the semen. During ejaculation, powerful muscle contractions propel the semen through the urethra and out of the body. This entire sequence, from production in the testes to expulsion through the urethra, is a highly coordinated and rapid process, ensuring that a potent payload of sperm is delivered precisely when needed for reproduction. Understanding the intricate workings of the male reproductive system is not merely an academic exercise. It is crucial for maintaining personal health and well-being. Knowledge empowers you to recognize what is normal and, more importantly, when something might be wrong. Issues such as infertility, erectile dysfunction, infections, and cancers can all affect this system. By being familiar with its anatomy and function, individuals can better communicate with healthcare professionals, ask informed questions, and take an active role in their own health management. This awareness forms the foundation of proactive self-care and long-term wellness. The different parts of the system must work in harmony for it to function correctly. A problem in one area can have a ripple effect across the entire network. For instance, a blockage in the vas deferens can prevent sperm from being ejaculated, leading to infertility, even if sperm production in the testes is perfectly normal. Similarly, hormonal imbalances originating from the testes can affect everything from mood and energy to the ability to achieve an erection. This interconnectedness highlights why a holistic approach to health is so important. Lifestyle factors like diet, exercise, stress management, and avoiding smoking all play a significant role in supporting reproductive function. Regular checkups with a doctor are a cornerstone of maintaining reproductive health. These visits provide an opportunity to discuss any concerns, undergo screenings for conditions like testicular and prostate cancer, and receive professional advice on healthy living. For younger men, performing regular testicular self-exams is a simple yet effective way to detect any lumps or changes early on. For older men, discussions about prostate health, including PSA, prostate-specific antigen testing, become increasingly important. These preventative measures can make a world of difference, as many conditions are far more treatable when caught in their initial stages. Ultimately, taking care of the male reproductive system is an act of responsibility, both to oneself and to potential future generations. It involves being informed, living a healthy lifestyle, and engaging with the healthcare system proactively. Do not hesitate to seek medical advice if you notice pain, swelling, lumps, or changes in function. Open conversation and regular monitoring are your best tools for ensuring this remarkable biological system remains healthy and fully functional throughout your life. It is an investment in your present and future well-being, guaranteeing the machinery of life is well maintained and ready for its vital role.